Now in this problem, a pulley of radius 2 meter is rotated about its axis by a force, radius 2 meter by a force 20t minus 5t square to a time dependent force, where t is measured in second, which is the force is applied tangentially. If the moment of inertia of the pulley about its axis of rotation is 10 kg meter square, then the number of rotation made by the pulley before its direction of motion, if reverse, is options है, it is more than 9, it is less than 3, it is more than 3 but less than 6, and more than 6 but less than 9. So now let us solve this problem. What is given here? Now this force is applied tangentially. So tangentially means the angle of 90 degree from the axis of rotation is direction of force, line of action of force is always perpendicular to the axis of rotation. So we have this tau will be equal to vector r cross f, and here sin theta is 90 degree, which is 1. So radius is 2 meter and force is 20t minus 5t square. So this tau will be equal to how much? This will be 40t minus 10t square. Now this is the torque, right? Now if this is the torque, what is the angular acceleration alpha? The angular acceleration alpha will be equal to this tau by I. So I is 10, so 40t, this will be equal to 4t minus t square. So angular acceleration is also time dependent, right? So we can write this angular acceleration as, देखिए angular acceleration alpha को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? This is d omega by dt. Now this is d omega by dt, and this will be equal to 40 minus t square. This is 40 minus t square, right? So what we can say, that cross multiply करेंगे तो we have d omega is equal to 4 minus t square dt, right? And जब इसको हम इंटीग्रेट करेंगे, so this will be integration, so we will find d omega. और यहाँ से हमको 0 to t में ये करना है, 0 to t में, तो suppose limit is 0 to t. So here the it is 0 to omega. At t is equal to 0, rotation is 0. So we have this omega minus 0, that is omega. Here d omega का integration क्या हो गया? Omega, and upper limit omega minus 0, that is omega. Omega will be equal to how much? देखिए this is 4t dt, and t means t square by 2 minus t square, so this is tq by 3, right? और लिमिट क्या हो जाएगा? लिमिट विल बी 0 to t. So देखिए t इन्वॉल्व है 0, लोअर लिमिट तो कुछ नहीं हुआ, दिस विल बी द वैल्यू. So we have omega is equal to, this gives omega is equal to how much? 2t square minus tq by 3, right? This is the omega. So it is given that you have to find the number of revolution made by the rotation made by the pulley before its direction of motion if reverse. Now when the direction of motion will reverse, that is, it had to become 0. So we will keep this omega is equal to 0, that is 2t square minus this much will be equal to 0, and then we will solve for t, right? Then we will solve for t. So if this is 0, then t square common. So this will give t square, and this will be 2 minus t by 3. So either t is 0, this is 0. So this will give either t is 0 or t is equal to 6 seconds, right? So this t will give the initial case, so this is not admissible. We have t is equal to 6 seconds. After 6 seconds, this pulley get stopped, right? Now we have to find the number of rotation. So from here omega, we can again find that, here we can find that this omega can be written as d theta by dt, d theta by dt, and this is equal to how much? 2t square minus tq by 3, right? Again same procedure हम करेंगे. So this d theta will be equal to how much? This much dt, और इसको इंटीग्रेट करेंगे. Now in this case, what is the limit? It is 0 to 6. The limit is 0 to 6. So we have theta is equal to देखिए आंसर, the 2t square dt, so this will be 2 and t q by 3 minus this t q, that will be t4 by 3 into 4, right? This will be the lower limit 0 and upper limit t, right? So we have this 2tq by 3 minus t power 4 by this 3 into 4, 12. So we will have 2 by, this is 6 into 6 into 6, 6 into 6 into 6 divided by 3, right? Or minus, this will be equal to 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 divided by 3 into 4. So 3 4 are 12. So this will be 6. 4 are 12. 2 times, and this will be equal to 3. Right? So this will give, we have 3 2 jar. So this will be 36. 36 will be common, and how much it is? You just see 36 36 दोनों जगह से कॉमन हो गया. So this will be equal to 4 here, 4, and this will be how much? 3. So 4 minus 3, so this will be equal to 36. Now this theta will be equal to 36, right? Now what is, we have to find the number of rotation, right? Number of rotation. So this n will be equal to theta by 2 pi. N will be equal to theta by 2 pi, and this will be equal to, theta is 36 divided by 2 pi, right? So these 2 18, so this will be 18 by 3.14, 18 by 3.14, and this will be equal to 5.74. So 5.74, right? The n will be, number of rotation will be equal to 5.74. So देखिए 5.74 means it is more than and it is less than. So what will be correct option? Correct option is option C.